This is Maribel Hernandez for SLP 212. My project therapy plan is designed for the age group 7 through 12. And in this therapy session, I would explain the difference between he, she, and they. The student will learn the concept of he, she, and they and how to use each subject correctly in sentence form. So here on the table, I have three different pictures, cartoon pictures. One is a he, a picture of the face of a boy. One is a she, picture of a girl, long hair, little bow. And picture of they, a boy and girl combined. I have them side by side on a table, and which would make them three different columns. One would be for he, one would be for she, one would be for they. Then I would hand the student a picture of real people, real life. So in this picture, I would ask, what is this? Is this a he, a she, or a they? So they would have to look at the picture and see which one the subject most looks like. So in this one, it's a boy. So we would place it here under the he column. Then I would get another picture and show the picture of the subject and ask, which column does this picture go to? What is this? Which one does this one most look like? He, she, or they? So I would get the picture and tell me she. So I say, okay, place it under the she column. Next, I would say, what does this fall into? He, she, or they? Look at it closely. Then they would say they, because there's more than one person in the picture. After completing this for at least 2 times, I would move on to asking them what each picture or what activity is going on in each picture. So I would say, okay, this is a he. What is he doing in the picture? And then the student would say, sleeping. Okay, he is sleeping. I would have them repeat the sentence, he is sleeping. Use their expressive language. Next one, what is she doing? Then they'd say eating. Okay, she is eating. Then to the next one, they. What are they doing? Then they would say swimming. Okay, they are swimming. Okay. So then after completing this for at least 2 times, I would move on to placing the sentence form paper on top of the columns. Then I would ask the student to, instead of, just saying he, she, they, or sleeping, eating, swimming, I would go on to say, okay, now you have to do it in a sentence form by yourself. So look at this and tell me in a sentence what's going on here and who's in it. So the student would have to say, he is ripping a paper. That would make it a little more difficult, make the activity a little more difficult, bump it up a little bit in difficulty. Then I would get another picture and I would say, okay, what's going on here? They are dancing. Okay. So this would go on until I knew kind of if they were getting the hang of it. If they were having difficulty, I would prompt by, just describing the different characteristics. If they didn't know, for example, what this was, I'd be like, okay, look at it closely. Does this person have long hair or short hair? Give them examples or give them choices. And then they would say, okay, she, long hair. Okay, do boys have long hair or girls have long hair? Some boys have long hair, but most of the time it's girls. So they would say girls. Okay, so what is a girl? A girl is a she. So just prompt them that way. Just give them little examples that way.